Forest School, here's a wee fun activity to practice your skills. All you're going to need is a potato peeler and a stick. The most important thing though, while using your tools, is to keep yourself and everybody else safe. So you need to clear a space around you, which we call your blood bubble at Forest School. And by that I mean a space that is the length of your arm and your tool. So this here is your blood bubble. What you need to do is, with your busy hand, hold the peeler, with your helping hand, hold the stick, kneel down with the knee of your busy hand on the ground, hold the peeler against the wood and peel away from your body, turning the stick as you do it. When you're finished, put the peeler down on the ground so that someone else can come along and have a go. Use the sticks in your home learning by adding letters to them, numbers to them, or anything else that you might like to create. Have fun guys, and stay safe, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye!